Well, this is crazy and I can't believe it. This is well beyond my imagination. According to Ice Universe, the Galaxy Z Flip 5 will have even larger cover display than the Oppo Find N2 Flip, which is already so popular thanks to its bigger cover screen than the Galaxy Z Flip Force 1. And if you don't know, the Oppo Find N2 Flip is actually Samsung's main competition if you talk about the flip phones in certain markets. But just like every single time, Samsung has something else in mind. The Galaxy Z Flip 4 is still among the best foldable phones to purchase in 2023, or probably overall the best phone in the market. In most Western market, if you don't know, Samsung doesn't even have a competition in this regard, which could be one of the biggest reasons why you should purchase a Galaxy Foldable. But that's not only it though. Samsung has the software, Samsung has the Hinge design, that all does make it a better looking foldable. But because many brands are anticipated to enter the foldable market in 2023, the situation might change, and that's the only reason Samsung needs to improve the game. The exterior screen of the Galaxy Z Flip 5 is expected to be significantly better, or should I say, as big as possible. Literally, the whole back of the device is gonna be a display. The thumbnail that you're seeing is actually something I created on the base of what Ice Universe actually said. And if you don't know, one of the competition is the Moto Razr. That is also getting this same kind of thing, and it is also been pointed out by Ice Universe. Now, comparing the Galaxy Z Flip 5 to Samsung's earlier flip phones, which featured a really tiny cover screen, like, can you remember the first Galaxy Z Flip? I mean, really? It's crazy. So Samsung's upcoming small foldable phone might have a diagonal measurement of between 3.5 and 4 inches. Bigger than the Oppo Find N2 Flip's one, much bigger and much more crazier. And this alone will make the Galaxy Z Flip 5 undoubtedly much simpler to use when it is folded, and that will also increase your usability, productivity, adaptability, I don't know what else. So you will be likely be able to do things like you can tweet from it, you can probably see who tweeted what and check your Instagram feed, or what else, like emails, doing emails from the cover screen. All these things would be possible thanks to this larger cover screen, which also means that Samsung will somehow introduce a new Android interface for this cover screen, because that's how you're going to be able to use it. Now, on top of everything else, the potential for a square external display creates a design adjustment for the back camera configuration, and Samsung will undoubtedly need to reposition them somehow. Now, other than that, not much is known about the flip phone though. Early speculations have suggested that Samsung may be looking into new Hinge design, and that Samsung would do every single year, because that's how they will progress in this foldable world. Now, that will also get rid of the noticeable mid-display wrinkle or crease that has been on every single foldable from Samsung up until this point, and may also reduce the footprint or even the weight of the phone. Now, if you don't know, we are already hearing the Galaxy Z Fold 5 will actually come with a water drop hinge that will actually allow the display to sit inside in such a way there won't be any gaps when it is folded and there won't be any crease. So that's the same kind of thing can be expected with the Galaxy Z Flip 5. Now, we can also expect the whole Galaxy foldable lineup to come with Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 or Galaxy chipset. Now, this is a slightly modified variant of the standard Qualcomm chipset that has a better NPU, a slightly overclocked prime core, but don't expect the Galaxy foldable phones to come with the 8 Plus Gen 2 as reported earlier, because as you have heard recently, the Qualcomm might even introduce the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor before November or sometimes in November, so there is no chance for a 8 Plus Gen 2. So going by the Galaxy S23 series performance, well, you can expect some good battery life out of this phone, even if there is not going to be any more battery upgrades. But we will get to know more about them real soon, so keep an eye on this channel or just subscribe here. Okay, after releasing this free 8K wallpaper pack, here is absolutely stunning 8K wallpaper pack called Lightbeam. On any monitor, computer, tablet or even smartphone, it looks awesome. Want to see right away on your devices? Visit my website, link down below. It's for everything tech, where you will find free watch faces and tons of tech news much faster than these videos. So definitely visit it. Until the next one, bye and take care.